So the reasons that I wanted to get started with the course have to do with reach and impact. Before before I started the course, I was reasonably competent at doing setups, doing repairs, but I didn't have a customer base, right? So all of my customers were basically only my friends, and so starting from that growth reach was hard, right? Um, the one of the most powerful things I learned in the course was how to actually use the online platforms to bring new customers to me, to expand the reach, and actually jumpstart my business in a way that was inaccessible to me before, right? So if my business is built on good reviews and word of mouth, um, it moved me years ahead. You have been incredibly responsive every time I've reached out to you in the forums and through email. Working through the course was a snap. Everything was straightforward. Everything was clearly laid out. I was able to both go through it in order, but also then go back in and find those things that I want to replay or listen to. There was a lot of opportunity for me to go through and listen to some things a second and a third time and get even more value out of those. My business is having double-digit growth every month.
Fantastic.
Right?
That's
Like,
awesome.
and that's like that is amazing. You never hear about that. Like
Hmm.
that is what everybody hopes for.